Alright, well, this engine ran really nice. I didn't fill it all the way up, so it didn't run half an hour, 45 minutes like it usually does. But the ET6 here was running okay. A little rough because it's cold out. I also, I think this whole mechanism gets a bit stiff when it's cold. So, and then that EM1 ran really nice as well. So I still want to either get a longer belt for that EM1 or reverse its operating direction by moving the cam, because it's the fans don't blow onto the cylinders, and I think that's silly. So unplug these batteries. There we go. And tip the water out. I threw some water in there because it was running so fast. There we go. Now that I had that ET8, I'm really making sure I dab oil in these a lot, which you know, the oil does get everywhere, but like I said, after that issue with the the ET8, which I suspect was caused by not enough oil, or could have been caused by not enough oil, which still trying to get a hold of somebody to get parts for the ET8. It's Chinese New Year, I think. I got a notice from Banggood that they had Chinese New Year going on and wouldn't be answering calls or emails very well this week. So, trying to figure out a way to get parts for that. Talk to E-Machines and Banggood, and I might contact Sterling Kit because they all sell the same engines, and I just need somebody to answer me. But yeah, making a short day of it today because I got a lot of stuff to do, and there's a Pokemon event and all kinds of things going on. So I'll be back next week, and I'm really excited that EM1 is running real nice, because I do really love how cute that little engine is.